Nalor ke kam hikai ban tip ye lundong kot ban ru ban nang ban stat ye ki jing hikai haki kamra kelas la nang penmelin ye ki Khynnah Skul bakin sim benta haki wei pat ki kam ki bai dei hi ki benta jong ke jing pule bakin nang yar shishu ke jing nang jing tim ki bor pngai Skul jong ke Marryland Skul ke Skul ke badan hak Shillong Mauleng Maukhan hari Bhoi district menta ke sengi la penlong da ka one day carnival com fun exhibition ke balong da ke jing temu ban penmi pisa na ka benta ki babon ki jing don kam jong Skul ki ba kenthop kum ke jing penbha ye ki kamera kelas bat ki we ki jing don kam hagene ke carnival com fun exhibition lai sim benta hi dagi Khynnah Skul jong ke Skul ha ki benta ba pher ki ba kenthop kum ke jing shet bat di hagene hi ke sengi ka sina jing sina bat peni da ke babatai ru bat di ye ki belong kat kum ke jing batai na ke subject science lem bat ki we Hagning sengi lawan ban pli perda ye ke Carnival com fun exhibition da ke kong Mary bin Pathau kum ke kong san ha ke jing don lang jong ba ar shadap kum sumbut kong san u bade DSEO ke Bhoi district u SDSEO u S Kumar ke principal jong Skul ke kong Samarui Pathau ki Khynnah Skul lembat ki we haba jing kran na gelang ki nong sha khot sngewbha ki lapan pau ke jing kemen ba ke Skul kala nang kiu shakmat shaprang kat barang ni kisnam bat ke jing penlong ye ki bakum kini program hagi Skul kalong ke jing nang penpro ye ke jabing jong ki Khynnah bakin nang khamyar ka jing mot jing perkhat
Fun Fair 2025 MLS.
Lead the song. Miss Cara, wherever you are, Miss Sylvia.
to welcome you all with a very warm heart. First of all, I'd also like to thank God for this beautiful day. As the word of God says, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Respected chief guest, my beloved mother, Mrs. Empathow, Sir DSEO, Sir Shut Up, who's here in our midst as a guest of honor, and also respected Sir, who's come along with Sir Shut Up. Your presence in our midst is commendable. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time. Thank you so much. Let us give a huge round of applause, children. I'd like to welcome.
I am today very much blessed because of the beautiful rendition of the Russian melodies, which is one of the favorite songs that we used to play in and sing in our churches. How great thou art. No? And in fact, it is one of my favorite songs as well. So, khubor ya gitu ki Khynnah Skul jongi ki pala ai to jingrai to bakerpang daga bynta kanega si ko bakerpang ki jongi kanega school. It is a great privilege for me to be part of this celebration, and I'm happy to be representing the department along with my senior colleague, the DSEO, Subdivision School Education Officer. We both are very privileged to be part of this occasion, on this occasion and momentous occasion for the school. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude and thanks to the principal who has been very kind enough to give us the invitation to grace the occasion as special invitees for this occasion. And we are also doubly happy to be representing the department. So it is a nice occasion, and on behalf of the department, we are trying our level best to be the interface for the department and to connect with the schools and children, the students studying in all the schools within the jurisdiction of our district. We are happy to be and glad to be with you, with everyone here, and I hope that we will continue to be part of such kind of programs in the future as well, in case Madam is kind enough to invite us and anybody from the department. And I think my colleagues are also on the way, and they will be attending very soon here because they are held up somewhere in traffic jam. So they will be on the way and coming very soon here to be part of this program. So thank you for the kind invitation given to us for this beautiful celebration. It has been a long journey for the school, starting from 2010 to 2015, and I'm made to understand that last year one of the position holders has been a student from this school. So congratulations to the school, man. Congratulations to the hard work by you, and congratulations to the sincere and hard work given by every teacher of the school. It is not easy to achieve a position in the board exams, and I am sure this is because of the integrative approach and mutual support given by everyone to make a beautiful and good result for the school. This will be a landmark achievement for the school in the years to come, and it will be an inspiration for the students who will be studying in the school in the years to come.
About the contributions of this school family, and it is really encouraging. What I have seen is that school is catering to the needs of people here, although you are facing lots of challenges. But you know, madam, challenges will be remain there, but it cannot restrict you to come forward with your success story. That is what you have cited example. Students of this school, they have come up with 100% result in secondary school certificate examination, SSLC exam, and this is an example. And not only an example, this is the result of hard work of this entire school family. Alone, it may not be possible for anyone, but then yes, your leadership counts, madam, I believe, because seasoned or vibrant leadership, nothing will be possible. So you have cited example by showcasing those result of your school. And another encouraging thing I have seen here is that number of students appearing for this coming SSLC exam is 34, and that is also quite encouraging number.